Assalamualaikum, I am Noor Idina from Group C3. I will present the introduction of this project, which consists of an overview of the startup business, office location and layout, networking requirements for each department, and target user specifications. For overview, TechGen is a startup retail business focused on selling consumer electronics, including smartphones, laptops, and home automation devices. We aim to provide a seamless shopping experience through our physical store and integrated online platform. Our goal is to differentiate ourselves in the competitive electronics market through advanced technology and excellent customer service. For office location, our office located in One City Sky Park, MCT Towers, Subang Jaya, Selangor, Malaysia, in a 3-story building with 4 dimensions of 40 by 60. For office layout, in the first floor, we have the sales and customer support departments. In the sales department, computers connect to a switch for efficient communication within the network. A router is placed centrally to provide internet access, while wireless access points give employees and customer Wi-Fi for browsing product catalogs and processing orders. The customer support department also has devices connected to a switch for secure operations. Fast internet here is used for tasks like video calls and accessing customer information. For the second floor, we have inventory and marketing departments. The inventory department connects its devices to a switch, allowing staff to track stock levels and process orders. A server is placed here to store inventory data and support communication with other departments. The marketing department uses devices linked to another switch to run online campaigns and access marketing data, whereas access points provide internet for activities like collaboration and advertising. For the third floor, we have server room, where 2 main servers are placed to store and manage company data. This server ensures all departments can access the data they need quickly. A firewall is installed to protect the network from any external threats. The servers are connected to a switch to keep the network stable and secure. Wireless access points are added in case they are needed for maintenance or future network tasks. Even without an IT department, the setup ensures the servers and network run smoothly and stay organized. For the networking requirements for each department section, we have 5 rooms in this building. First, the sales department requires high-speed internet for browsing catalogs, checking inventory, and processing orders with secure network access to protect sensitive data. Second, the customer support department needs reliable internet for troubleshooting, video calls, and secure communication with customers. Third, the inventory department requires stable connectivity for a real-time inventory tracking and secure access to supply chain systems. Fourth, the marketing department needs high-speed internet for social media, email campaigns, and secure marketing analytic tools. Lastly, the server room requires fast data transfer and regular network monitoring for optimal performance. For target user, we have employees and customer. For employees, the network will support 25 employees, allowing them to work together and perform tasks that require high computing power. Access controls will be set up in each department to keep data safe and ensure that employees only access information related to their roles. For clients, they can choose online or in-store, which is customer that walk in will have access to secure guest Wi-Fi, allowing them to browse the internet, access product details, and enhance their shopping experience while visiting the store.
I'm going to explain about the hardware and software component that we need to build a strong, secure, and efficient network infrastructure. So the first hardware component is router. It is TP-Link Archer AX11000. The market price started at 1,864 ringgit. The purpose of this router is to ensure quick data transfer for your network-intensive operations such as e-commerce, inventory management, and customer care by supporting high-speed internet and managing huge traffic loads. So here is the features of the router. Second hardware component, which is switch. It is Cisco Business CBS 110 FTD at 4GB internet unmanaged switch. The market price is started at 302 ringgit 67 cents. The purpose of this switch is to provide effective interaction between devices like PCs, printers, and network storage in a compact and neutral setup by giving small businesses dependable, fast network connectivity. The third hardware is firewall. It is Palo Alto Networks PA220. The market price started at 1,420 ringgit. The purpose of this firewall is to protect virtual company and consumer data from known and unknown threats, guaranteeing strong network security. Next is the fourth hardware component, which is wireless access point box. It is Cisco Meraki MR36 Wi-Fi 6 access point. The market price started at 2,681 ringgit. This is the fifth hardware component, which is internet cables Cat6. It is Ubiquitous Cat6 internet cable. The price is 171 ringgit for 200 feet multiplied by 3 floor. So here is the first software. It is network monitoring software by Wireshark. You can use it for free. The second software is security software. It is McAfee Total Protections. The price for this software is 199 ringgit and 50 cents per year. The third software is backup software. It is Acronis Cyber Backup. The price is 377 ringgit per year. The fourth software component is VPN software. It is Cisco AnyConnect Secure Mobility Client. The price for a year is 160 ringgit. The fifth software component is cloud-based backup. It is Backblast Business Backup. The price for a year is 439 ringgit. So I'm gonna explain about the total cost breakdown. The total cost for hardware is 7,384 ringgit, and the total cost for software is 1,175 ringgit and 50 cents per year. And then this is the unit cost for the hardware with the quantity. So router we need 3 for each floor, and switch we need 5. Next firewall we need just 1. Besides that, for wireless access point we need 5 also the quantity, and for cables we need just 3. And the total cost for all hardware, including with the quantity, is 22,443 ringgit and 35 cents.
I am Nuri Hidayah, and I'm going to explain the network design for the TechGen Smart Office and how it's set up to be reliable and secure. Let's start with the network topology. We chose a star topology because it's reliable and easy to manage. In a star topology, all devices like computers and printers connect to a central switch or router. If one device or connection fails, the rest of the network keeps working fine. This setup makes it easier to troubleshoot problems and keeps the network running smoothly. Next is the network diagram. As you can see for our office network diagram, the firewall is at the center of the network. It works like the security guard of the network. It checks all the data coming in and out to make sure only safe and authorized traffic is allowed. The network also has wired connections for devices that need a stable connection, like servers and wireless access points, so people can connect their laptops and mobile devices anywhere in the office. Now, let's move on to the network media, which is how devices actually connect. We use both wired and wireless connections. For important devices like servers, we use wired internet cables to make sure they stay fast and consistent. For flexibility, we set up wireless access points so employees can move around with their laptops or phones and stay connected to the network without being tied down by cables. Finally, it's about IP subnetting. This is how we divide the network into smaller parts called subnets to keep things organized and secure. Each department gets its own subnet. For example, each department has different address range. This way, each department's data stays separate, so if one department has a problem, it won't affect the others. The firewall helps control the traffic between these subnets. It makes sure that data is only allowed to move between departments if it's safe. This makes the network more secure and efficient.
Next, I'm going to talk about internet access and internet service provider comparison. So we have choose to compare 3 types of ISP, which is Uni5, Maxis, and also Time Fiber Business. For your information, we have choose the same bandwidth plans for all the ISP. We choose 300 megabyte per second. At first, I'm going to talk about Uni5. The coverage area of Uni5 is nationwide, and the cost is 139 ringgit per month. So here's the reference. Next, Maxis. The coverage also same, which is nationwide, but here's the different parts, which is the cost is more pricey than Uni5, 179 ringgit per month. So here's the reference. And we will see about type of business. The coverage area only in select area, and the cost is more pricey. It's 188 ringgit per month. And from all of this ISP, we have choose one. We choose the best. So the best internet service provider for TechGen for our company is Uni5. The type of internet service suitable for the startup is fiber optic internet.
I will be explaining for our conclusion. Let's start with proposed solution summarization. Our team has built a strong network to meet our current needs and future growth. We have chosen reliable hardware for better performance, reliability, and security. We have also selected trusted software to ensure our network runs smoothly and securely. By combining high-quality hardware, software, a strong internet connection, and smart network design, TechGen is ready to provide great service, keep everything running smoothly, and grow in the electronic market. Our network uses a star topology, which is easy to expand and keep the system reliable. If one connection fails, the rest can still work. We also have planned our IP address to be simple and scalable. Each department gets 30 IP address, which help keep the network organized and running smoothly. For internet, we have chosen a fiber optic plan with fast speeds. It ensures smooth operation for all departments and is affordable, making it a practical solution for both now and in the future. So let's move on to the total cost. For TechGen, we have carefully selected high quality yet affordable solution. We have 5 types of hardware items, and for the software and internet, we have total of 6 type services. The grand total for the first year is 25,286 ringgit and 85 cents. This plan ensures TechGen network remains efficient, secure, and scalable while being affordable. And lastly, as TechGen grows, it is important to plan ahead for future network needs. First, while our current bandwidth plan works well now, upgrading to a faster plan will help us avoid slowdowns as more users and data are added. Additionally, although we have enough IP address for the time being, it is essential to reserve more for future growth, ensuring we can easily add new departments or devices without running out of space. Another key area is cybersecurity. Since we are handling more sensitive data, strengthening our security is crucial. By adding more protection tools and conducting regular security checks, we can safeguard our networks as we expand. By focusing on these areas, Goshen can keep its network strong and secure, making sure it can grow smoothly and handle future needs. This will help us stay reliable and ready for whatever comes next.
That's all from us. Thank you.